Now you think it is fine. Doesn't make me so blind. You just waste a lot of time. We're done with this love. Painted with some colors. Now you don't. You forget all the memories. You close your eyes. You say that we stay friends, but you still went away. What I want, hold your hands till the end. What you want is to end. Say goodbye. Show it out. Now I'm supposed to do. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why you wanna hurt and understand it. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why you wanna hurt and understand that I'll be alright. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why.
Hey you guys, good morning. Sorry you guys, just had to go and turn on my light there for a sec because it looks very dark and scary in here. But I don't know if you guys can kind of see, there's like snow outside right now. That's so cute. Like it literally snowed so much last night. It was a snowstorm. Me and my mom went to like the store, the grocery store, and it was like heavy snow. But it was so cute, and like we were like the first people stepping in the snow, like the first footprints. Like that's just adorable. So yeah, now anyways, I am getting ready to go to this like event. So as y'all can see, I've been vlogging my morning so far. It's gonna be a productive day vlog because I'm gonna have a very productive day today. So first up, I signed up for this volunteer opportunity that's like local, and it's like 20 minutes away by bus, and the next bus that's coming is in 12 to 13-ish minutes, and I still have to do my makeup and pack my tote bag up. So once again, I'm late, you guys, and I have to hurry up because it's literally like 7:30 right now, and the event starts at 8, and if it takes me like 20 minutes to get there, and I still have to like wait for the bus and stuff. So basically the first bus, it's gonna take me a little bit closer than I like need to be, and then I have to like walk 5 or 10 blocks or something. That's what my mom said, and I'm like, what the heck, like what do you mean that far? And then she's like, no, it's just short blocks. So I hope that they're really short, that I can like walk through them in 10 minutes, because based on my estimation, the bus is gonna come at like 7:49. Alrighty, also I've got 10 minutes left, and I still have to pack my tote bag. I also have to leave when there's like 5 minutes left, because it takes me 5 minutes to walk to the bus stop, so technically I only have 5 minutes really before the bus comes. So I'm really stressed out, you guys, and I don't know why, but this happens to me every day, and every single day of my life I'm always late. Yeah, anyways, on a break note, let's talk about what I'm doing today. So I registered, basically I used to go to this center. It's like a Jewish center I used to go to when I was little to do like sports. They have like different types of sports, gymnastics, tennis, swimming. That's what I used to do there. I think they also have basketball, I believe.
I might have I honestly don't remember. It's so many extracurriculars as a kid. Basically, okay, so I used to go there. Used to have like a little ID I would swipe. Yeah, basically I would always go there when I was little, and basically when I saw my school's Instagram, on my school's Instagram they posted like there's like an event that they need help volunteering for like during Hanukkah.
And I was like, sure, because you get like 3 hours of community service, and I need community service hours because I want to get into like honor society in my school, and you need to have at least 100 hours for that. I think so far this year I'm getting like 20 in, so I definitely need like a lot more. So basically I was like, sure. But then when I tried to like log in with the QR code, it wasn't working because they're actually unavailable and out of spots. So I actually saw a little notification on the bottom, or like a sign, and it was like, register for our email list, sign up now today. And I was like, oh yeah, sure, of course. So I signed up for that, and I got an email, which like I hardly check my email. So I'm so glad that I checked it that day. And then I saw this like little email, because usually I get just like spam and stuff. Like I'll register for stores to get like discounts. So it's all like Sephora, Ulta, or like my Pinterest account, literally like a million notifications on there. So I saw a little thing, and it was like from the center's name, and I know the center's name well. So I clicked on the email, and it was like a Martin Luther King Jr. volunteer opportunity event, and it literally like the email was like from an hour or two ago. So I figured like not many people have seen it yet. So I quickly signed up, and it let me sign up because there were enough spots apparently, and it was a 5-hour opportunity from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And yeah, I'm so excited. And so basically they sent another email later confirming it, and they were like, confirmation that you can come to this event. So that means that they approve and I can come to this event. So I just filled out like a volunteer internship form, and now I gotta give it to them when I get there. And yeah, so now I'm gonna have 5 hours of community service, which is like very cool and amazing. It's from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. if I haven't mentioned it yet, and then we get like free lunch there. And I also didn't tell any of my friends because well, I did actually, but I told them like the week before, and I registered like a few weeks before, I believe. But also like, even if like I had told my friends in advance, like I wouldn't have, because I low-key wanted this as an opportunity to like make some more friends from other schools and stuff. And yeah, guys, we're doing amazing. Right on track. It's 8 minutes left. So that took me like 3 minutes to do the rest of my makeup. Now I just gotta do lips, perfume, and my hair. Oh no. Guys, I literally forgot that I have to pluck my eyebrows. I'm gonna do that really quickly. Alright, y'all, I don't know how many minutes I got left, but I know that I really have to go. So at this point, I gotta do my perfume. Oh no, you guys, I forgot to put on some lip balm before this. Whatever. I have like hydrating lip oil in my pocket, in my jacket pocket. Alrighty, y'all, so I feel like I have like 3 minutes left. So, we're not doing too good on time. But I don't know how to like do my hair. I guess I'm just gonna keep it down like this. It's low-key cute. I don't know. Also, don't mind my Christmas tree in the back. I know it's end of January, okay? Oh yeah, we got 4 minutes. Let's pack the tote bag. Alright, y'all, so I just have like some pants in here that I might return today. A water bottle, Walla, and my volunteer form. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so rushing it. Anyways, I also have to bring my sneakers with me in a bag because I'm gonna be wearing boots, and I don't want to wear the boots indoors. Alrighty, you guys, it's 1 minute away. The bus is 1 stop away, and then the next one is 23. Alrighty, you guys, it's snowy winter wonderland. It's so beautiful, but I gotta run. I feel like I might miss this bus, and then if I do, I'm gonna have to run like 20 blocks, and I'll be like 30 minutes late, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. Alrighty, guys. So I did miss the bus, but maybe I can catch up. Damn it, you guys. Why did I sleep in for that extra 30 minutes? Oh my god. It's 7:56. I have 4 minutes left. Guys, why did I do this to myself, you guys?
23rd Street.
You guys, I just made it out of the bus stop, and now I'm almost here. So I'm gonna update you guys in a while. Maybe I'll use the bathroom and I'll tell you inside of the bathroom, but I'll let you know how it goes later. I'm so nervous because I'm late. Hashtag always late everywhere. Anyways, gotta go for now, guys. Tell you later. Bye. Hey, you guys, don't mind my messy hair, but basically I'm here and they had me change into a t-shirt, so I'm in the bathroom right now, but no one's here, so I can update you guys a little bit. So basically, Alrighty, y'all. So I was like assigned, basically at first I was decorating, and then I was assigned to help out Russian grandmas. Sorry, because I speak Russian. So we're helping them out right now. We just did some exercises and we were talking to them, and it's kind of awkward. They're like all gossiping. But now we're gonna play cards and bingo, and it's gonna be really fun. I'll see you guys later. Hey, you guys. So we're back. I'm at the bus stop right now. I just went on one bus, and now I have to get on another, even though I could technically walk. That would take like 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, anyways, I have a 10-minute wait for the next bus, and this is a kind of dangerous bus stop. Oh. Whatever. Yeah. Anyways, ignore my nose, but yeah. Oh, my lashes are kind of lashing today. As y'all can tell, and I look like a mess. My hair literally looks like a mess. I don't know how to fix this, but so anyways, I'm gonna be washing my dishes right now, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna play some music and wash them. She keeps on texting me.
The career's never on right now.
As I said, once again, I'm back home, and I didn't give you guys a little bit of an update, but I cleaned my room, and as y'all can see, I made some of my signature apple banana chocolate bread, and I'm gonna make some dinner. For dinner, I'm gonna have pasta. Yeah. Oh, so I'm almost finished with cleaning my room. All I gotta do left is just replace that because it's actually winter right now, not fall. So I don't know why that's still up. I have to wash my makeup off, by the way. Oh my god, that mascara's getting in my eyes. And I gotta clean up that mess, but like it's like organized, so it's okay. Oh, and also I gotta hang up my necklaces on the necklace rack thingy that I got for Christmas. It's like on my desk over there, if you can see. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash my mascara off right now because my eye itches so bad. Alright, I'll see y'all later. So it's been a while, but as y'all can tell, I already have my retainers in because I'm talking a little weirdly. But like I was saying before, I have to replace, oh my gosh, this sign with winter because it's not fall anymore, and this is not funny. So I'm gonna do that, and then I was gonna put down my Christmas tree today, but I just can't anymore. My head has been pounding for this whole entire day, and I'm just gonna do my jewelry organizer rack thingy. I'm gonna put my necklaces away. And it's okay, guys. It's normal not to be able to do like everything in the world in one day. Like, you
can be super productive in moments, but we can't like do every single little thing. We have to do it step by step. So yeah, just gonna do the sign and that, and then hopefully I can read before bed, because it's literally, oh my gosh. Okay guys, so it has been a while, like I said, because it's literally 12:18, and tomorrow I'm meeting up with my friend, so I have to wake up at like 9:30ish, okay, like max 10, to get ready, and it's literally 12:18, so I need 9 hours of sleep. That means I have to go to bed at 12:30, or like if I were to wake up at 10, 1, so 12:30 to 1ish, so I've got like a few, like 20 something minutes, so I have to do this right now. Okay, alrighty, so update you guys. I could not for the life of me find the box that has like all of the letters to change it out for some reason, and I don't know why I couldn't even find it, but yeah, I guess we're just gonna skip over that part, and it's just gonna stay like that until I find the box, because I literally have no idea where it could have went. I literally remember, like, in my mind I like moved it around a little bit, like I just do not remember at all like where I put it. Alrighty, y'all, you guys, so welcome back. I'm gonna keep it at this light because I feel like it's always boring having the same exact light, and this is like way better for my eyes because my eyes like hurt when the light is too bright, so I'm just gonna dim it. I feel like that's enough, right? Oh my god, my back hurts so bad. So anyways, I just need a little bit for the camera lighting. But guys, I'm gonna organize this right now. I'm gonna put like this, I guess. And I'm gonna do a time lapse. So let's go.